Are you familiar with Temp-tations? We love Tara Tesher. She is just known for the most beautiful. It's actually the best-selling line of ceramics here at QVC. She's got these wonderful kitchen shows. She's got these great ceramics, but she also loves to entertain, and she created an outdoor line called Temp-tations. All right, so we have the Temp-tations outdoor Centertaining hanging solar critter. All right, this is a solar light. I'm going to see if this will turn on if we turn off all the lights here, but we've got several choices. This is on a QVC price of $22. This is the hanging solar critter that has solar lights right up here that you don't need batteries for, which I love. And then these like copper spirals are wrapped with the most beautiful fairy lights. And then right in the middle is this cute little ladybug. All right, so a few choices on this. This is the ladybug with the copper finish. We also have the bumblebee, which is always really cute. Then we have the dragonfly and the hummingbird. But I got a surprise for you. We got the lights off, and this is what we're talking about. Thank you, Jesse. Look at that. All right, this does not require any batteries. Can I tell you that I love that? So this is solar powered, and you don't have to think about that. It just needs a little bit of sun. It's great for outdoor use, and it measures about 10¼ by 22-inch height. Now, it is so, look at how pretty that is. Yes, you can collect an entire like animal collection. I don't know if you've got like, you know, songbirds or like one of those like hummingbird feeders, but how pretty would that be? Anytime you want to create a little ambiance, especially at night, and this one is something that's great for day and night, this is just a great addition to your garden setting. And we're creating these different little atmospheres and ambiance, and I love lighting as well. And look at that. That's the bumblebee, and that is the hummingbird. So it comes with this great kind of wire hook that you can hook onto pretty much just about anything right there, nice and sturdy. And then there is that solar panel, so you don't need any batteries, which means that you just clip it and forget about it, and then let the sun do all the work. Now, one of the things that I love is fairy lights. I was telling Monifa that I love fairy lights because there's something so magical about fairy lights, and this one is encased in fairy lights all around that spiral. And it also has this cute little ladybug, and then if you come down here, you know it's got like almost like this little crystal kind of decoration. So in the sun, that's gonna catch a lot of light as well. So it's very substantial at 22 inches. All right, so this just kind of makes you smile, right? Put this out in your backyard. Maybe the kids will talk about it. That one is the bumblebee. Then we have the ladybug. And then we also have a hummingbird. And how cute is that hummingbird? It's got the blue crystal as well. And these are these decorative pieces that just brings a little smile as you get up in the morning, you grab your cup of coffee, you sit out on the porch, and you're like, ah, it's gonna be a good day. Look at the birds sing. Look at that hummingbird. Look at that dragonfly. And then how about at the end of the day, you've got something that's going to glow. Jesse, can we put the lights down as well? Let's see if we can do this again. But these are going to be lit up at night with the solar lights. So let me see if I can show you. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Okay, so that is so beautiful, and just that twinkling of lights and that bumblebee. Now, this is what Carolyn said, like, hey, it's almost 20 bucks, all right? 20 bucks to give you a little bit of smile and fun. If you love animals, like Carolyn does, if you love nature, if you've got beautiful plants outside, why not create a little bit more ambiance with something like this? All right, so this one is the ladybug. And this one has a nice little copper finish, wrapped perfectly in these fairy lights. And then if you come down here, it's got this red crystal. Let's look at the other ones, the other choices. $22. We got the bumblebee. The bumblebee has kind of a copper finish. And it's got like a yellow crystal perfectly matched on that bumblebee tail. Then this one is a dragonfly. What color is that? Do you think it's pink, Chance? Yeah, I think it's got like a pink crystal. And then the hummingbird, oh, has a blue one. And isn't that pretty? I think like every time I think about like a gardener, they always have those like hummingbird feeders. So